Hello! We will show you how to install the 4Heat application on your mobile phone and how to pair it with your TEK Biomasse device so you can get the most out of it. On the Play Store, search for the 4Heat app and install it. Create your account and enter a valid email address. Connect the PINKEY unit to the supplied cable and wait for it to connect. In this moment, add unit. Now add PINKEY. Click Next. At this point, you will have to choose your home network and enter the Wi-Fi password. Wait for the connection until the LED stays solid blue. At this point, your PINKEY will recognize your home network. Go back to your network and confirm that your phone is now on the home network. After confirming that it is, continue. Please wait for the connection. We have now managed to pair our PINKEY. With the steps you've completed, you've successfully installed the app and paired it with your TEK Biomasse equipment. Watch the 4Heat app tutorial video where we present what you can explore and make the most of this new ally.